primary purpose of cleaning grease exhaust systems is to minimize the risk of fire. The National Fire Protection Association has detailed standards as to proper installation and maintenance of exhaust systems. Essentially, NFPA 96 calls for cleaning of the entire exhaust system to bare metal on a prescribed schedule. The first step to cleaning an exhaust system is to remove the filters. The filters are the primary collection mechanism in any exhaust system and must be cleaned on a regular basis to ensure proper operation. The removed filters are either run through a dishwasher or allowed to soak in a sink prior to hand cleaning. After the filters are removed, the entire hood area is wrapped in plastic. The purpose of this is to capture and direct all greasy waste water to either a floor drain or a containment vessel. The surrounding area is draped in plastic as needed to prevent contamination from overspray. If there are access doors in the duct, they are opened and the area covered in plastic. Access doors are necessary for complete cleaning when there are horizontal sections of duct. The crew then goes to the roof, where the exhaust fan is removed to expose the duct coming from the hood. A degreasing chemical is applied through a foam gun to all exposed surfaces of the fan and duct. The softened grease is then removed with a 4,000 psi stream of 180-degree water. On the fan, a typical fan nozzle is used to get both sides of the blades and the housing. A rotating nozzle, called a spin cage, is used to clean the vertical duct. This spin cage is dropped down the duct all the way to the hood or to the first bend in the duct. The water from cleaning the vertical duct is collected either at the first opened access door or at the hood. After cleaning the fan and vertical duct, the fan is reconnected and the roof area around the fan is cleaned. After completing the work on the roof, the crew follows the grease and water down to the hood. If there are access doors, then the crew applies chemical and pressure washes from the door closest to the fan, working toward the hood. Many times a shop vac is required to collect the greasy wastewater. After all the duct is cleaned, the inside of the hood is cleaned using the same process, with wastewater either being collected or diverted to floor drains. Particular attention is paid to the grease trough, as this collects the grease removed by the filters. While the hood is drying, the filters are washed and placed back in the hood. After the hood is dry, the plastic is removed and the hood polished inside and out. The final step is cleanup, where all equipment is replaced and the floor is mopped.